Hello, this is Surajit Banerjee. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World. Today, we are going to discuss about the difference between FMEA and 5 why analysis. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to know what is FMEA and what is 5 why analysis. So FMEA is nothing but failure mode and effects analysis, and 5 why analysis is also called as why analysis. These two tools are very powerful problem solving tools, and these tools are basically help you to find out the root cause of any particular problem. These tools are widely used in any sector of the working field, and in Lean Six Sigma projects, these tools are basically used in the analyze phase of the DMAG methodology. So these tools are very powerful tools for problem solving and to find out the root cause analysis. Now coming to the key differences of these two tools at a glance. Now based on the purpose. So FMEA basically used a proactive approach, and a 5 analysis basically uses a reactive approach. Why I am saying it is a proactive approach? Because it identifies potential failures before they occur. So in FMEA can identify potential failures before they occur. But 5 analysis, after the problem has happened, you want to find out what is the root cause of the particular problem. Then basically you use 5 analysis. So that is the main difference based on the purpose of these two tools. Now coming to the next slide, based on the approach and timing, FMEA is basically widely used during the design phase to avoid the risk, whereas 5 analysis is basically used after the problem has happened. You want to track and trace the cause of the particular problem. Then you go with 5 analysis. Now coming to the next slide, depth and application. FMEA, it is a structured data-driven approach which involves finding out the RPN number. I mean, it is called the risk priority number. Risk priority number is nothing but severity, occurrence, and detection. Severity multiplied by occurrence multiplied by detection. Severity means how severe the problem is. Occurrence, how frequently, what is the frequency of the problem that is happening. And detection, how easy it is to detect or how difficult it is to detect. Based on that, we basically find out the number, risk priority number, and accordingly it is basically used. Whereas 5 why, it is a simple, fast, and relies on asking why only. You need to ask the problem repeatedly why unless you find out the root cause. And for that, normally we basically generally prefer to ask 5 times, but you can go even more than that to find out the root cause of the particular problem. Coming to the next slide, the best use case. FMEA, it is basically used for the complex systems, for product design phase, and preventive quality control. If you want to for preventive quality control, for product design, and for complex systems, you basically prefer to use FMEA. Basically in the design phase to avoid the risk during the design phase. And 5 analysis is basically daily use tools to find out the root cause of the particular problem. And for quick troubleshooting and for continuous improvement projects, we are basically use frequently this 5 why analysis. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, comments below with your thoughts on 5 why and FMEA, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video. I'll be very happy if you can share your thoughts of FMEA and 5 analysis in the comments below, so that I get to understand what you have learned or new things that you have learned today, or what practices you are using, best practices that you are using in your own organizations to implement these tools, or what results you have got by implementing these tools. If you can share your experience in the comments below, we'll be very happy and obliged. So thank you so much. Thank you.